Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a Bling Valentine's Day Dollar Tree DIY for you. We're going to take one of their wood heart signs, and I wanted to see about how much bling I could add to this to make this a really pretty sign for Valentine's Day. To cover it, I'm using the pink glitter cricket vinyl from Dollar Tree. This is great for crafting with, and right now my stores have it for like 50 cents, so a really good bargain. I just cut it out, and it's just basically a sticker at this point because it's just a piece of vinyl, and we're just going to lay the heart sign on there and smooth it out. That gave me the bright pink, it gave me the glitter, all that I wanted for a great background. I'm just making sure I don't have any of the paper hanging over just by sanding the edges. And I will have to poke a hole just back through the vinyl so that I can make a hanger for this again. Now, the theme of this video was bling and bedazzled, so lots of different things I'm going to add to this to see how pretty I can make it. For the love word, this is one of the wood love words from the Dollar Tree, from the Crafter Square. And I'm going to paint mine with this pink polish acrylic paint for a lovely background, and then I want to jewel it. Now, these are the little tiny glass beads from the Dollar Tree, and they have all these different shades of pink. So I thought this would be perfect for Valentine's Day. To attach it, I'm just using school glue, and I just go over the word love and spell it out. And these are really tiny little glass beads, and so I just kind of sprinkle them all over. That school glue will dry clear, and you'll be able to see that those really pretty little glass beads. I'm just making sure that I don't really have any of those stuck to the edges of the letters where you might be able to see them. And then I thought, you know what, I could add a little bit more. So I go around and add some more. This time I'm just using hot glue so I can get them exactly where I want them. And now no blank spaces on there. And it's like perfectly bejeweled. I'm going to add it to the glitter heart there with some hot glue right in the center. And Dollar Tree has so many of these like gemstone stickers, different things with lots of bling. And we were going for bling, so this one had these really large jewel stickers on it in pink. It also had all different other sizes on there, as you can see, in like pinks and white. And I'm just going all the way around. They are stickers, but I'm using hot glue on the back of them to make sure they stay in place to frame out our little love heart sign. It is really starting to sparkle. I did have to get several packages of these, and they also have the multicolor, which had pink on there as well, so I was able to make it all the way around. That looks really good. Now they also have these. These are not stickers, but they are little heart-shaped gemstones, so I thought that would be a perfect addition to this sign as well. I'm just picking out the colors I want to use. I want to kind of keep it like lots of pinks and whites. They also have like the foam stickers like this that are glitter as well, like little lighter pink glitter hearts. And I actually liked the way that looked. So I started scattering those all over the sign, and then I'm going to go in there with the little heart gemstones as well and just decorate the entire sign. I was telling you I was trying to get as much bling as possible on this sign. And the combination of the glitter stickers and the jewels look really pretty together. I layered the glitter stickers to get a little bit of red in there as well and a little bit more shine. Since I wanted everything to be bling, I'm using some of their little bead ribbon from the Dollar Tree. This is was a soft pink color. It's like a string with little beads on it, and I thought that would be the perfect thing. It's kind of hard to knot, so I just attached mine to the back with some hot glue to make a jeweled hanger for our bejeweled love sign. I hope you love it. For more Valentine's Day Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel, Crafty Beach, where you'll find lots more. Until next time, happy crafting.